Good morning. Welcome back to Gini Academy. Today let us start exercise 5.2 in arithmetic progression, and the fifth question is find the number of terms in each of the following AP. See, under fifth one there are two APs are there and they are asking us to find out number of terms in it. Number of terms is nothing but n we need to calculate. How to calculate the number of terms? Nothing but nth formula. So nth formula of an AP is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, isn't it? So we need to take a is the first term and n need to find out. D is nothing but the common difference between two successive terms, and an is the last term of an AP, isn't it? Let us come. So a is in the given AP it is 7 and d is equal to a2 minus a1. See, this is a1, a2, a3 and the last nth term. Okay. So a2 is 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is nothing but 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, isn't it? 6. So d is 6. And an is nothing but the last term of an AP, that is 205. So now once we got the values except the n, substitute these to the formula. An is 205 and a is 7 plus n we need to find out, and d is 6. 205 minus 7, see, after the equal it is positive. If I transpose RHS to LHS side, its sign become negative, okay? And the remaining thing here is n minus 1 into 6. 205 minus 7. So 5 minus 2 is nothing but 198, isn't it? 198 plus 7 is 200 plus 5, 205. And here n minus 1 into 6. And keep the variable left hand side, or else if you are getting confused means you can take fully 198, okay? Then n minus 1 is equal to 198 upon 6. Here is multiplied. If I transpose to RHS side, it becomes divided, okay? And you can use 6 table also or 2 table also. Can I start with the 2 table? Because you may understand easily, okay? 2 3s are, and here 19 is 2 9s are 18, again 2 9s are is 18. So now you can't use 2 table because 3 odd numbers, 99 also odd number. Go for 3 table only, 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 3 3s are. So n minus 1 is equal to 33 and n is equal to 33 plus 1. If you transpose 1 RHS side, it becomes plus 1 and n is 34. So this is what we need to find out here. So this is the AP, but in between terms they didn't give, only the last term is there and few starting terms are there. They are asking us to find how many number of terms in this AP. So we need to apply the nth formula of an AP. According to given AP, find out A, D and an is nothing but the last term. Then we calculated that D is total number of terms in the AP are 34. Clear? I hope it is clear. Let us move to the second question. This is the given AP. Find out A for it. See, one thing. Firstly, what we see here, this is 7, 13, 19, 209. Like that the whole number, isn't it? Here, look at the number 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13 and minus 47 are there. All are positive and negative except this second term, that is the fraction term, that to mixed fraction. And firstly you have to convert that into improper fraction, otherwise it will lead misanswer, okay? So that is why, see, 15 1 by 2 is nothing but 15 2 is a 30. What we have to do here, into here plus 1 and denominator as it is, isn't it? Converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. 15 2 is a 30, 30 plus 1 is 31 and the second term is become 31 divided by 2. The first term is 18, then it is 31 by 2 and here 13 and here minus 47. See, in the term only, they are like how much it is possible to simplify, you can simplify. That is why the second term is 15 to the 30 plus 1 is 31 by 2. Okay, 31 by 2 it won't divide directly, so you can take like that only. So this is A1, A2, A3 and the last term is AN. So here A is 18 and D is A2 minus A1. A2 is 13 by 2 minus 18. So take the LCM, 13 minus 18 2s are 36 divided by 2 and it comes 31 minus 36 is nothing but 5 and the greater value is 36, it is having negative sign, so minus 5 by 2. D is minus 5 by 2. Apply to the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is minus 47 and A is 18 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 5 by 2. Okay. So here transpose 18 this side, minus 18 it will become N minus 1 into 5 by 2. See, both are also negative sign. What we have to do? Keep the negative sign and add them. 5 plus 7 is nothing but 15. 1 is the carry and 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6 into N minus 1 minus 5 by 2. See, take the variable this side. N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 65 and N minus 1 is equal to minus 65. Look at here. If I transpose, this is multiplied term here. If I transpose this side, it becomes divided, means under minus 5 by 2. Okay. So that reciprocal is nothing but minus 2 by 5. Don't get confused. I am going to repeat this. See here, N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. If I transpose 5 by 2 to the RHS side, it becomes divided. Divided means like minus 65 divided by minus 5 by 2 it will come. After the reciprocal, see denominator will be numerator and numerator will be denominator. Clear? So now 5 ones are 5 and 5 3s are 15. N minus 1 is equal to minus 13 into minus 2 and N minus 1 is equal to minus into minus plus 13 2s are 26 and N is equal to 26 plus 1 is nothing but N is equal to 27. Clear is it? Here the number of terms here are 27. So this is what the fifth question. It is easy only and you have to thoroughly go through it. Okay, don't get confused. Follow the steps. Understand the steps. Let them give whatever the terms. Don't care about it. Just go through the steps. Definitely you will get the answer. Let us move to sixth one. And let us see sixth one. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2. Okay. So what we need to do? Again they gave one term and they are asking us to check whether it is the term of an AP or not. So let us consider that is the last term. Okay. Now the nth formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. And what is A? 11 and D is A2 minus A1. A2 is 8 and A1 is 11. 8 minus 11, 11 minus 8 is 3. So negative sign you can keep. Now substitute to the formula. AN is nothing but minus 150 is equal to A is 11 plus N we need to find out and D is minus 3. Minus 150 and transpose 11 this side, this is also negative, it will become. Minus, keep the minus and add them. 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 5 is 6 and 1 as it is equal to N minus 1 into minus 3. Take the variable this side. N minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to minus 161. N minus 1 is equal to minus 161 upon minus 3 multiplied. If I transpose, divided. Negative getting cancelled. So what else is remain? 161 upon 3. Is it divisible by 3? Check it out. 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15. So what else? 11. 11 won't goes by 3 table. So can't do anything, keep like that only. N minus 1 is equal to 161 upon 3 and n is equal to 161 upon 3 plus 1, because negative after transposition it comes plus 1. Take the LCM. 161 plus 3 divided by 3, it is nothing but 164 upon 3. Is it divisible by 3 table? Check it out. 3 ones are 3 5s are 14. 14 also not divisible. So n we got is 164 by 3. So it is in a fraction form. Therefore, n should not be fraction form. So minus 150 is not a term of given AP. N should be whole number. Okay. So here it came in fraction form, that too not divisible. So we can't take it as a number of terms. So that is why we can conclude that the given minus 150 is not the term of this given AP. Clear? Let us move to 7th question. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. So 11th term and 16th term they gave already, and they are asking us to find out 31st term. Nothing else they given. So what we need to do? So we need to apply the nth form of an AP. What is the nth form of an AP? An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So this formula here, A11 is nothing but A plus 11 minus 1 into D, isn't it? So that nothing but A11 is A plus 11 minus 1 is 10D, isn't it? Then A16 is nothing but A plus 16 minus 1 into D. So that is A plus 15D. Getting? So write that first one is A11 is equal to A plus 10D. What they gave, that is 38. And the second one is A16 is A plus 15D is equal to, what is that? Given is 73. You can understood now here only. A11 is A plus 10D and A16 is A plus 15D. How? Because according to the nth formula, whatever the number of terms are there, minus 1 into D it will come. Okay. So now change the sign to cancel negative, because positive is there negative, positive is there negative, and positive is there negative, it will come. And here minus A plus A getting cancelled, and the remaining thing is 10 minus 15. So it is minus 5D and is equal to 38 minus 73. 8 minus 3 is 5. Sorry, this is 73 minus 8. So do here 73 minus 38. 8 minus 3 you can't do, no? So then that is 13. 13 minus 8 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that is 5. And here 6 minus 3 is 3. And you have to keep the negative sign, because the greater value having negative sign, that is minus 35. Negative are there on both the side, it get cancelled. Then D is equal to 35 by 5. 5 ones are 5 sevens are, and D is 7. Okay. Once we got the D, means you can substitute either A11 term or A16 term to find out the A. Let me take the first one, that is A plus 10D is equal to 38. A plus 10 into what is the D? 7 is equal to 38. And A plus 10 into 7 is 70 is equal to 38. And A is equal to 38 minus 70. And our first term is 38 minus 70 means 10 minus 8 is 2 and 6 minus 3 is 3. But here the negative sign is there. Okay. So 70 minus 38. Okay, A is minus 32. A we got minus 32. Once we got A and D, we can find out any term in the given AP, right? So what they asked? They asked A 31st term. So that is A plus 30D by applying the nth formula. Okay. So what is A? Minus 32. 30 into what is D? 7. Minus 32 plus 7 into 0, 0, 7 3s are 21. 210 minus 32, do it. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus, here nothing means 0, it will become now, yeah? Yeah, 0. And 0 means that is 10. 10 minus 3 is 7 and 1 as it is. So it is 178. A 31st term is 178. So this is what we need to calculate. A 11 term is given, A 16 term is given, okay? And by given this clue, we need to generate the formula by applying the nth formula. A11 is nothing but A plus 10D, A16 is nothing but A plus 15D. And write them one by one. So that is statement 1 and statement 2. Change the sign and cancel whatever the opposite sign, it will goes. And the remaining thing, you will find out the D. Once you get the D means you can apply the D value either this and this to calculate A value. So once A and D we get means what the term we need to find out, that formula we need to write, substitute and you will get. Clear? I hope. ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಷನಿಂದ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಫೋನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು 8th question. AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. See, they gave in this AP it consists 50 terms. That means number of terms in this AP are 50. Clear? And third term they given, that is 12, and the last term is nothing but AN, and they are asking to find out 29th term. Okay, so what they given? A3 is nothing but A plus 2D, isn't it? Only one is there. Check the other clue. What they given? Number of terms are 50. So that means they gave 50th term. That is only the last one, is it? No, this is only the 50th term. That is 106, last term. Okay. So A50 is nothing but A plus 49D. Okay. So now write them one by one. A plus 2D is equal to what is the given? 12, and A plus 49D is equal to the given thing is 106. So change the sign. Negative, negative and negative. Cancel, positive and negative getting cancelled. And 2 minus 49 is minus 47D and is equal to 106 minus 12. 6 minus 2 is 4 and 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 minus 1 is 9, isn't it? So it is 94. You can do separately if you get confused. Means 6 minus 2 is 4 and here nothing is there means 10. 10 minus 1 is 9 only. So now D is equal to, both are getting cancelled. Negative sign getting cancelled. D is equal to 94 upon 47. Which table it will goes? See here, 47 is itself is the prime number. You have to find out in that only. So 47 ones are not, 2s are you can check. 7 2s are 14, 1 and 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Of course it is 47 2s are. So 47 ones are, 47 2s are. So what is our D? D is 2. Okay. Once we got 2 means you can substitute the any term like third term or 50th term. The first one only simple, no? So you can substitute here only. A3 is equal to A plus 2D, that is 12. Okay. So A plus 2 into what is our D also? 2 is equal to 12. And A plus 2 is 4 is equal to 12. and A is equal to 12, transpose 4 that side, that is minus, and A is 8. So D we got and A also. Then go for what they are asking, that is A29. A29 term is nothing but A plus 28D. This is, I hope it get familiar because nth term from the introduction I am telling. Exercise 5.1 is completely over and it is 5.2. Already we are in 8th sum. So that is why I am taking directly. A is 8 into plus 28 into D is 2. 8 plus 8 2s are 16. 1 is the carry. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. So 56 plus 8 is 60, 64. So that is A 29th term is 64. So they may ask like this also. You can just compare to the previous sum and this one. Both are like to find the term which they asked, but the given data is changed. So what they gave in the previous, they gave 2 terms and asking us to find out. Here only one term and one more they are telling number of terms. So that only we need to consider last term. Okay. So these are some tricky will be there in each and every question. So that is what you have to read question thoroughly. Read that question thoroughly and split and understand question. Then you have to analyze what could be the answer. Then you have to go through. Okay. Don't go directly. I know it is easy means it leads wrong. Yes children. Let us move to 9th one.